Making 3 dinners with $35. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. The first one is fish tacos with a mango salsa and rice and corn. While I chop the red onions and the cilantro for the salsa, let's get started on these ingredients. You have a value pack of tilapia, you have mangoes, you have rice. In total, it's about $20. It may seem high, but you will be sharing some of those ingredients with the 2 other meals. So we're going to go back to making our salsa here. I'm just going to go ahead and dice the mango. For the seasoning packet, all you really need to use is about a half of the packet, and we're going to reserve the other half for the loaded taco potatoes. Next up, we have a garlic butter fish with rice and asparagus. While we get started on that fish, here's the ingredients here. However, 2 of these items, the rice and the flounder, we already included in meal number 1's price, so we're just going to go ahead and back that out. So the total price for this meal comes out about $4.21. Last up is loaded taco potatoes. The great thing about this filling is that when there's extra, you can use it in tacos, a casserole, whatever. It's great. And because it has beans and meat, it definitely allows you to stretch it out. All right, so going over the grocery list, there are quite a few items, but some of them were in meals 1 and 2. So when you back those out, you really have cheese, your meat, your beans, your potatoes, your diced tomatoes. So that comes out to about $10.75. Adding everything up, it's about $35.20. This is curbside pricing, which is slightly more, so do expect some additional savings if you shop in the store. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow along for more delicious and budget-friendly dinners.